experiment, we are taking a glass plate and a leaf, and we'll need a Reen Ala bleaching liquid. We'll pour the liquid onto the leaf. And we'll wait for 20 hours to see the reaction. So you can see how the leaf has turned white because of the bleaching action. Leaf has turned white because the cells of the leaf are rapidly denatured by the bleach, where free oxygen combines with the cell proteins and leads to decomposition. Now bleaching of leaf is done to carry out a starch test so that leaf can absorb iodine solution and can show the presence of starch. So I have taken an empty bottle and I have filled it with water, and here I have done a hole and I inserted the straw through it, and I have taken an empty container. Now to study the effect of pressure on water, we'll inflate a balloon and we'll put it over the top of the bottle. First I will hold this hole of the straw so that air should not come out. As soon as I put the balloon over the bottle, and as soon as I release the straw, the water comes out because of the pressure. You can see how the effect of pressure takes place on water. This is a similar way in which the tap works. So, when the air enters from the balloon, it increases the air pressure in the bottle, which pushes down on the water, forcing it through the straw. This is a similar way when we use a straw for drinking. It pushes the liquid up the straw, allowing us to drink it because of the pressure. Such are examples of air pressure we use in our daily life, like syringes used for blood test, ink filler, cycle pump, etc. So for this experiment we need two glasses, one glass filled with water, some food color and a string. First we will dip the string into water for some time to make it wet. Then we can use it and we'll stick it in the two glasses. So we'll take a string and we'll stick it in one empty glass, like in this way. Similar way we'll put the string to other glass. So in this way we'll stick the string to each of the glasses. Now we will add a glass of water to an empty glass and we'll add some few drops of food color. We'll stir it properly. Now we'll try to pour water from one glass to another at a distance, and you will see we can do it easily with the help of a string. You can see how the cohesion and adhesion principle works when we pour the water from one glass to another with the help of string. So you clearly observed how the water was easily poured from one glass to another with the help of the string, even though the two glasses were at a distance. Now why the pourings become easy? It is because of the principle of cohesion and adhesion. Water has a strong cohesive property because of the water particles' ability to form hydrogen bonds with one another. Due to this, water droplets will stick to one another because of the cohesive property. Similarly, water has a strong adhesive property, and because of this, water's tendency is high to stick to other molecules with a positive or negative charge. As a result of this strong adhesive property, water will stick to other things. What is hydrogen bond? It is a chemical bond between a hydrogen atom, which is positively charged, and a negatively charged atom, that is oxygen. Water molecules like to form chains because the positive end, that is hydrogen end of one water molecule, is attracted to the negative end, that is the oxygen end of another water molecule, forming a chain. Now why are cohesive and adhesive forces important for life? So they play an important role in many water-based processes in biology, which includes the movement of water to the tops of trees and the drainage of tears from the tear ducts in the corner of your eyes.